you wanted them down a little bit, right? Let's try this out.
You guys haven't gone to Alaska?
You like my hat?
When I retire. But
I've been to Alaska.
Treated you well.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's cool.
I never liked you. I know I never
Oh,
liked
yeah, you leaving? Yeah.
Well, I mean, we will break off,
Yeah, okay.
so we won't have a chance to touch.
All right. Likewise, yeah. I'm right again.
Yes, we shall.
I'm gonna flatten them out
Before
a little bit, 'cause
December.
I think that if they're like this, they're gonna be uncomfortable. That far back.
I don't care. Just do whatever you want. That would be just fine.
Wait, who's you're?
With Carrie.
Carrie's leaving. Carrie's just splitting off.
You got that nice and tight, bud?
Huh?
Nice and tight?
Good and tight.
Good and tight.
Okay.
How many Ugga Duggas you put on it?
How many what?
Ugga Duggas.
Okay, about